What made me choose Albertus was that they made it affordable for me. I mean, I knew that I wanted to go to college, but I also knew my parents could not afford to go. I applied to over 20 schools, but the thing about Albertus that really stood out for me out of all the schools I applied to was they were the only ones that went out their way to help me with my financial aid. Like, they contacted me, they said, we want to help you. And they put me in contact with a lot of people here and offered me grants and scholarships so that I can go to college and that it was affordable for me without being a burden on my parents and my family. I really feel here at Albertus, I'm getting a solid education. I feel like it's a lot of value here, a lot of resources that we have. There's tutoring. They offer a writing center where we could come and get help with any essays that we have for our class. Here it's free to do laundry. It's even the little things that make the biggest difference. Like, it's free to print paper for the students. Not to mention we have career services that helps anyone if they need internships, if they want to study abroad. Like, we have those resources here. So I feel like after graduation, I'm well prepared for the workforce.